So next we'll actually look at how to use the CSI driver for Unity. We'll take a look at a couple files, the first one being the pvc.yaml, which is our persistent volume claim file. So you can see the name, test volume claim 1. The size is 5 gig and it uses the Unity iSCSI storage class name. If we look at the Nginx pod definition file, you'll see the mount path and then, more importantly, the claim name, which will match the name of the persistent volume claim. So next we'll actually go and create the two definitions. So look at the persistent volume claim first. You can see that it's in a pending state. It's in a pending state because we have not defined a pod to actually use that persistent volume. So you can see if we refresh it, nothing has been created. We'll go and try it again to show you that it's still in a pending state. So next we'll go and create the actual pod. So we'll speed this part up, but you can see that the pod is being created. So now that it's created, we'll take a look at the persistent volume claim again. You can see that it's in a bound state, and you can see the name that it got assigned. And if we go into the Unisphere UI and refresh that, you'll see that the name matches the LUN name. So next we'll actually log into the container itself and see the 5 gig volume that was mounted. So you can see the 5 gig volume on the mount path that was defined in the pod's definition file. So we'll go into that folder and we'll create a 4 gig volume just as a placeholder. You can see that file.out. Now if we look at the file system again, you can see that there's now space consumed, approximately 4 gig on that mount path. If we refresh the LUN info in the Unisphere UI, you can see that there's some space consumed. Because we're using thin provisioning, it's not going to consume much space there. So now we'll go ahead and delete the persistent volume claim and the pod. And now if we go back into the Unisphere UI, we may have to refresh it a couple times, but then you'll see that the LUN has been cleaned up. So the CSI driver took care of deleting the volume from the pod from Kubernetes and cleaning up the storage on the backend array. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.